we are free today, much free. And I think whatever experience, the treasure of experience that we have, we need to share for the welfare of the state. And this could be a good platform for it. We do get opportunity to meet as legislators, ex-legislators, but the number of people over there is sufficiently large, and things can be discussed well in a small group. Things could be shared well in a small group rather than discussing it before 100 people. I feel as a guest, I think we should not expect anything from the host. But even then, in the interest of the state, you could definitely have a yearly session or a 6-monthly session. You could call us for a cup of tea, high tea of course, and share certain things, get our opinions also on certain prevailing issues. Finally, government is a continuous process. The time I was in chair, I pull the things. The next day when somebody substitutes me, he has to continue. Everybody has his or her viewpoint for the development of the state. And therefore, I feel all of us are much healthy and ready to contribute. It is His Excellency Mr. Pillai, when he is initiating different steps or his viewpoints towards various things are unique in nature. I am sure this could be, this is of course my opinion. I did not interact or share this opinion with my colleagues, but I am sure nobody will obstruct to it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.